Party identification is a customer 360 data model object used to store identification documents and unique reference numbers associated with a person or organization. For example, include driver license number, passport number, Aadhaar number, birth certificate number, employee IDs, customer account numbers, etc. After mapping the loan data set to customer 360 data model objects such as party, individual, contact point, email, contact point, phone, the loan account number within loan details is mapped to party identification data model object. This enables the loan account number to be stored as a business specific identifier associated with customer's party record. Mapping loan account numbers to party identification allows organizations to associate unique identifiers with the customer, creating a trusted identity foundation that supports customer recognition, verification, and customer 360 initiatives in Salesforce Data 360. Let's start by reviewing the mappings for our loan details data lake object. From the data lake object mapping screen, we can see that loan details is currently mapped to several customer 360 data model objects like contact point email, contact point phone, individual, loan details, and party. If we look closely at the source fields, we have an account number field in our loan data set that uniquely identifies a customer loan account. Since this is a customer identifier, it is a good candidate for party identification data model object, which stores identification numbers associated with the party record. We will search for party identification data model object, click plus and done. We see that party identification data model is available for mapping. To support customer identity resolution and maintain consistent customer profiles across system, we will map the account number from loan details data lake object to party identification data model object. Before that, we will create a formula field on the loan details data stream to store the party identification type. The party identification type specifies the kind of identifier being stored, such as a loan account number or driver license number, etc. In field label, we will write party identification type. From the search function, we will select text and we will look for proper case function. We will apply function and we can replace this text with loan account number. From formula return type, we will select text and click on test formula and we see loan account number is returned. It's a static value. We will click on save. Now we will go back to that data stream and we see that a refresh button is there. We have refresh only new files, refresh all the files. We will select refresh all the files and refresh now. Party identification type formula field is available on our data stream and the same field is also available on our data lake object. We will go back to our mappings. We can open party identification data model object and we see party identification type field is available. We can map this party identification type field with party identification type formula field which we created. Then we have customer ID. From the loan details, we can map it to primary key of a party identification data model object, which is party identification ID. And then we have account number, which is an identification number. We can map it with identification number from party identification data model object. We can click on save and close. Now explore our data within Data Explorer. We will go to Data Lake object, and first we will select our loan details data lake object to check that formula field value. Within loan details we have one record. We will click on edit mapping and we see that the formula field which we created for loan account number is giving us a value loan account number. This field we created just to map it with party identification type. And then we will select data model object party identification. We will click on edit columns, remove unwanted fields, bring identification ID type and number, click on done, and we see that PW1 is the ID, loan account number is an identification type, and this is the identification number.